If your File Explorer Preview Pane is blank or simply says, "No preview available," this video will walk you through the most common causes and fixes on Windows 11. Welcome to Tiki Tech Tips. The Preview Pane relies on Windows Preview Handlers. These are small components that let File Explorer display a preview without opening the file. If those handlers are disabled, corrupted, or unsupported for the file you're viewing, the Preview Pane may appear completely blank. First, make sure the Preview Pane is actually enabled. Open File Explorer, click View, and make sure Preview Pane is turned on. You can also press Alt+P to toggle it on and off. If it's already enabled and still blank, the next step is to check whether Windows is allowed to use preview handlers. In File Explorer, click the three dots at the top, choose Options, then open the View tab. Make sure Show Preview Handlers in Preview Pane is checked. Click Apply, and then OK. If the problem started after a Windows update, restart File Explorer. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. Then test the Preview Pane again. If previews still aren't showing, it's possible the file type simply doesn't support previews. Windows can preview many image formats, PDFs with the correct software installed, and Microsoft Office documents, but not every file type has a built-in preview handler. Try opening a JPG or PNG image to see if the preview works there. If image previews work, but PDFs don't, the problem is usually your PDF software. Check whether it supports File Explorer previews. If Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files don't preview, make sure Microsoft Office is installed correctly. Office provides the preview handlers for those file types. Open Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, then Microsoft 365. Then, click Modify. This can restore missing preview handlers. If every file type is affected, the thumbnail cache may be corrupted. Press Windows+R. Type Cleanger and press Enter. Check Thumbnails, then click OK to rebuild the thumbnail cache. Restart File Explorer afterward. Finally, if the problem began immediately after a Windows update, check for newer Windows updates. Microsoft occasionally fixes File Explorer bugs through cumulative updates, and installing the latest update may resolve the issue. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to Tiki Tech Tips. I make straightforward Windows and PC troubleshooting videos that focus on solving the problem without wasting your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.